In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time tracking. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable time tracker you can use for work sessions, study blocks, or any task where you want a clear record of how long you spent. First, create a new database to serve as your tracker. Open a fresh page and add a table database so you can see everything at a glance. Give it a name like Time Tracker. Each row will represent one session. You can add a title for what you worked on, and we'll set up the timing fields next, so the table does the math for you. Now add your core properties. Create a date property called Start Time and another date property called End Time. Then add a formula property named something like Total Minutes. These three will handle all the timing details. Before you log anything, make sure both date properties track the exact time, not just the day. Open the settings for each date property and enable Include Time. This lets you record hours and minutes accurately. Notion respects your workspace time zone, and you can type natural inputs like today 9 a.m. or pick from the time picker. Whatever feels fastest. Next, calculate your total duration. In the formula property, paste the formula. Date between prop end time. Prop start time, minutes. That tells Notion to measure the gap between your end and start in minutes. You'll see a number appear once both times are set. If one side is empty, the result may be blank or 0, which is normal. This keeps your log clean until the entry is complete. If you prefer to read hours, you can mentally convert or later adjust the formula. But minutes are great for precision and summaries. To speed up your workflow, add a little automation with a button. Create a button property in the database and name it something like Start. Configure the action to edit properties in this page, and choose to set the start time to now when clicked. With that in place, the moment you begin a task, click the button on that row and your current time is stamped automatically. When you finish, just set the end time manually. The formula will instantly update your total minutes, giving you an accurate duration without extra steps. That's it, your streamlined Notion time tracker is ready. Create a row, click the button to start. Add an end time when you are done and let the formula do the rest. Thanks for watching.